How to save TinyTask recordings. Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save recordings on TinyTask. So let's get started. First of all, open your TinyTask and over here click on this and just perform a few mouse functions and then stop the recording. And in order to play that, just click on save. And here you have to specify the directory where you wish to save. Let's save it on desktop and you can just give it a name like I'm writing first and then click on save. And now your recording has been saved. You can see that this is the recording which just got saved. So in order to play that, double click on this recording and they'll ask you that how do you want to open this file. So here click on more apps. And when you scroll down, if you're not able to find TinyTask over here, if you found, well and good. If not, then click on look for another app on PC. And now over here, go to the directory where your TinyTask is downloaded. I've downloaded in download, so I'm going to double click on that. And now you can see that it is over here in other options. So just click on it. And then click on play. And now your mouse will perform the same functions that you did while creating the recording. Now, there is another way to open the recording, that is go to this open over here. Once you click on open, they will ask you to find the recording. So you can go to the desktop and here, this is the recording. So double click on that and then click on play. And now the mouse will perform the same functions that you did while recording it. Another way to save the file is by saving it as exe. So over here, you can just play it or record it and then click on exe here at the right side. Once you click on exe, just click on exe and then you have to specify the directory where you wish to save it. I'm going to save it in documents or desktop and then click on save. Now you can see it is saved in desktop. So here it is. Now what you can do is open this file as a program. So the compiler will compile it and you'll be able to see the output of the file. So that is basically how you can save the recordings on TinyTask. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next one.